Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Make Money Audit. And we're doing another video again on Mr. AC Hampton and his broad, just scam artist that he is, and the waste of money that you guys would spend if you actually did anything with him. So his videos, I just used Claude plus Seedance 2.5 to make $10,150 in 24 hours. Here's the kill. This one gets a D only because, again, it's a viable idea. The timeline is a lie. A store built in 30 minutes, ads launched, broad campaign, data exported, losers killed, winners scaled, and $10,150 collected, all inside 24 hours, which the one number that decides everything, ad spend. What did he spend to make that 10,000? 9,800. So he made a couple $100. Okay. Never spoken once. Then he closes by admitting a beginner running this exact playbook will make no money at all. So why would you guys sign up and listen to any of his crap if you think you're going to make money? The only way you lose money is when you buy his courses. He makes money and he can stand around his little pretty blingy watch and his diamond cross there. It's just basically a scam. You're bait to him. That's all you guys are. All 669,000 of you guys are just bait. If any of you can back up your stuff, tell me. Okay. So let's see. All right. So make no money. That's not my analysis. That's his sentence. That's what he said in there. So listen to that. The realistic from scratch beginner outcome on his stated timeline is roughly zero revenue and real ad spend lost. Method exists. Timeline is fiction for the audience he's addressing. I mean, come on, you guys. This guy is just, I mean, he can keep me, entertained with ideas forever because everything he does is basically a scam. That's all he's doing is scamming you guys. So I verified Seedance 2.5 individually. It launched in July 31st, 2026, and the 30-second 4K 50 reference specs are real. The tool claim holds, the money claim doesn't. Don't attack the tool on the camera. It makes the audit sharper than it really the math fails. Yeah, the whole idea is just crap. Okay. So let me see here what we got. All right, I'll get more into the kill. His own walkthrough, 20 minutes scrolling on Facebook and at Facebook ad library. Store built in 30 minutes. Product images generated. 10 ad variations made. What did he spend for the ads? How much does that stuff cost? It ain't cheap. Campaign launched broad. Enough sales data collected to export it, feed it to Claude, kill the loser, and scale the winners. All of that plus 10,150 revenue inside 24 hours. So come on, Mr. AC, what did you spend on ads to get to that? That's what everybody needs to know. And if you're a beginner, you better have some money bankrolled because it's going to take a while. So let's play it a little bit so you can hear how much a lie this guy is.
Both Claude and Seedance 2.5 to make over $10,000 in 24 hours. And look, I'll even refresh the screen for y'all so you guys know I'm not lying. A few weeks ago, I found...
Yeah, does that say anywhere on his screen where AC Green is or what his business is? No. So anybody can generate that number.
a store right here, and I haven't been able to stop thinking about it since. They're selling one single product, their ads are going crazy, and it's probably generating over $50,000 every single month. So I asked myself a question that honestly felt a little wild when I first said it out loud. Could I rebuild this entire operation? The product...
Yeah, you could basically steal it like you did. That's all you did. Plus, you're just trying to get everybody to buy your crap course. So broad targeting on a fresh campaign means the algorithm is learning. Learning costs money, okay? And it takes days, not hours. You don't get a kill and a scale data in one day. You get a bill. This is what I'm telling you guys. Everything he does is just a scam. You can do it, but you need to have realistic expectations. And all you young people out there that think he's the shit and he's the man, you guys really need to wake up. You can ask Claude to do it. You don't need him. or you can sign up to Seedance. You don't need his help. Okay. The store, the pixels title, the ad count that he ran are his warm account, ad history, existing infrastructure. A beginner starts with none of that. Yeah. How long has he been posting ads on Facebook? Forever. Okay. You, as a beginner, are not going to get that type of ads approval that quickly. You're not. So understand that. Okay. So again, we're talking about the ad spend 9 minutes and 43 seconds of the video, never stated once. He refreshes a revenue dashboard for you at 10,150. Never shows what he paid in Meta to get it. No product costs, no platform fees. You know, in finance, revenue without a cost is a result. It's a half a sentence. It's not there. There's no backup to it. If you spent $8,000 to make 10,150, that's a very different video. He doesn't tell you that, and silence is the tell. So, like I tell you guys, 100%, this is just another scam artist on YouTube getting you guys to suck in because you see the $10,000 in 24 hours. That's somebody who's been placing ads for a while that has the reputation. On Facebook and Meta, you're never going to get that right out of the gate. Okay. So the probably generating over 50,000 every single month. His work, probably the entire premise store, the blueprint he copied. No, he stole it. Is a guess. No data shown. Okay. So step one, the free method in his affiliate link. Yep. The very first instructions, click the link for the description for Ecom Boss. That link carries you to a referral code. Alex, he earns when you sign up, never disclose on the camera. So this is one guy that actually is just a shyster and a snake. He's just a scam artist. He doesn't tell you up front. You sign up thinking you're going to make $10,000 in 24 hours using his shit. You're going to lose a lot of money. Okay. The Exit Funnel 101 coaching application blueprint 6.0 course. Launchpad, the video is telling you that you can't make these decisions alone. Routing him. Yeah, you can. You don't need to use his shit. Ask Claude. Ask Chat, Gronk, Gemini, whatever AI you're using, you don't need his crap. Okay? I'll tell you what you do. You take his video, you put it in, you take the URL, put it in Claude, and tell Claude to reverse engineer it and give you a breakdown of how to do it. It will give you all the details. You don't need this scam artist. The ad shows results from a product a woman never used because the woman doesn't exist. Yep. He brags about it. The serum visibly disappears into your skin. A fake person demonstrating fake results for a fake real skincare product you selling a real customer. So basically, you're selling them, I don't know what you're selling. You're just selling crap. No, he doesn't also bring up the fact that how many of these things got returned. What's the return ratio? How much people will send shit back. He doesn't tell you about that either. So the confusion or confession. His closing words: if you don't know how to make those calls, you will ruin the exact same playbook on the wrong product and make no money at all. Yeah. The video opens with anyone can follow, even if you're a computer beginner. It closes by telling you the beginners make nothing. He audits himself, and I'm just reading out loud. Yeah, the whole video kills itself. You're not going to make money. You're going to lose money. Take his video, take any of these guru videos and put it in Claude, Chat, whatever you're using, and tell it to reverse engineer it and give you the full play-by-play breakdown. That's what you do to these guys. Do not waste your time signing up for his courses. Do not waste his money. AC, if you got any, huevos, respond to my video and tell me what you spend an ad cost, or anybody else of this 669,000 merry bands of idiots. You guys are all just wasting your time and money. But if you want to say something to me, say it. I actually accept it. You can prove me wrong, I'll acknowledge it. But I don't think you can, because I know a scam artist when I see it. All right. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to making a next video. Hopefully, AC responds or one of his lackeys that will respond, and we can go from there. Have a good day.